good, YouTube's DDB. About to do a tier maker right now. It's a Disney show tier maker, and yeah, let's get it started. It should be pretty self-explanatory. S tier, A tier, B tier, C, D, F. Had to add a F, by the way. So yeah, this show, I do not know about this show at all. Haven't even seen this show. I don't think so. Andy Mac. It's a pretty cool show. I'll give it a. It was emotional. I'll give it a B. Best Friends Whenever. About a C. It was alright. Average show. Ant Farm. A tier. I know you're probably gonna be mad at me for not putting it in S tier, but Ant Farm, you know, not S tier, but it was A tier. Bizarre of Art, C. Yep. Austin Alley, the first S tier. That is one, man. That season finale or series finale, whatever. That almost made me cry. It came on like in 2010, something like that. Been on for a long time. Corey in the House, another S tier show. Come on, very funny. I'm putting an A tier actually, not S tier. I'll put an A tier, not S tier. Bumped. I like this show. I'll give it a B. Now I give it an A. It's just a good show. Dog with the Blog. It was a nice show. Talking Dog. I'll give it a C. DuckTales. Blah 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 blah. DuckTales. I'm gonna give it a D. I'm not really too much of a fan of it. Fish Hooks. You may hate me for this. Fish Hooks. Nice show. Actually, I'm gonna give it. I ain't gonna do it like that. I'm gonna give it like a C. Fish Hooks was decent. Good Luck Charlie. Another S tier show. Come on. Wait. No, I'm gonna put Corey. I'm gonna give it his recognition it deserves. Good Luck Charlie. Funny show. Some episodes you get into it, some episodes you don't. So that's why it's at A tier. Gravity Falls. I'll give it a D. So far, no F shows so far. I would have picked DuckTales in there, but it was. It's meh. Hannah Montana. S tier. Wait, can you drag up, please? S tier. Nice show. Jesse. A tier show. Very funny. Rip to camera voice, by the way. It made me sad. Casey Undercover. That's a B tier. Nice show. Nice spy show, actually. Kim Possible. I'm gonna give it a A tier. Not S. A tier. Leo and Stitch. A or B. Leo and Stitch is dope. I'll give it an A. Liv and Maddie. Nice solid show. Solid. Feel of the Future. I'll give it a C. And this was a little bit before my time, but I seen some. It was alright. Phineas and Ferb. It's a B tier. Nice funny show. Raven's Home, that is on currently. What is it? My guy Isaac Ryan Brown is on there, and that's Sky Cats. Yeah, Raven's Home, nice funny show. I'll give it an A. Not actually, yeah, A. Shake It Up. Let's put this in S tier. Shake It Up was nice. It was nice. Ooh. Actually, I may put it in A. I'm gonna put it in A. Sunny with a Chance. This was a skit show, but I'm sorry, I'm putting it in a D. It was alright. It was alright. It was funny sometimes, funny. Nah, it was alright. I seen some of this. This is like a cartoon show. Let me give it a D. Sorry. Sweet Life, Zach and Cody. Yep. Sweet Life on Deck. Yep. S tier shows right there. Do I have even a swelling? Why is it a S tier? I don't think so. Rapunzel Tangled Adventure. Let me give that a C maybe. Yeah, C. We have 6 more left. That's So Raven. Hold on. Before you get triggered. S tier. Who's this? Explorers New School? Well, I need my glasses. Explorers New School. Or the Emperor's New School. Never even heard of that show. The Proud Family. I'm not putting it in a B. Hold on. Actually, it's my friend Travis. He's in this group chat I am in. He watches it all the time for some reason. The Proud Family, that is not S tier, but A tier. A tier. No, matter of fact, let's just put that. It was a nice show. Wander Over Yonder. This is actually a pretty solid show. I'll give it a C. Wizards of Waverly Place. A tier show. Ooh, may put in an S actually. Nah, A. The Emperor's New School I'm stuck on. C tier. There's one show I have not seen. I haven't even heard of it. So you tell me down in the comments, where would you put it at? D, F, C, B, A, or S? But besides that, this is my full list right here. So if you agree with it, you agree with it. If you don't, let me know what you would change. And yeah, I'm out. DDV. Subscribe, like, peace. I'm still recording. Wow.